Alright, Powers. I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos, but I got a small stash for 2018. Not a lot. I spent over like $360 for all this. First what I got is Laser Rainbow Fountain, American Party Fountain cone, Butterfly and Silver Flower Fountain, Beaver Blaster. It's like a fountain but non-stop crackling for 2 minutes. Got this 5-shot Pro Ox, Shell C candles. I don't even think that's C, it's just candles. 5 shots. Got these Angry Bird firecrackers, 10 in a pack. The store told me these were pretty loud, louder than all these. They threw in 2 Mambas, 2 Crazy Kings. I got Mad Dog Super Firecracker, Maximum Blast Super Loud, a brick of these. Got a Cake Moon Chaser by Showtime, 10 shots. Dirty Dancing in the Sky, 7 shots by Showtime. Got some Salute Shills, 2 boxes. Last but not least, I got the Sinister Shills, 24 canister shills. Another 24 pack canister shills by Cutting Edge Fireworks, Sniper Shills. Got this.